Hi friends and welcome to our YouTube channel World Tech Talk and Beauty, and in this video I will unbox Skyberso DSC Sony W830 model camera, which is the best budget camera under the rate of 8,000, 7,000, 6,000 and 5,000 respectively. So let's unbox it. In the package you will get one camera case with the camera provided inside, but I will put the camera case side and inform you about it other products that is given along with it inside the package. You will get a cable which is entirely for the charging purpose, and this is the port from which you can transfer your camera information to your laptop or any other devices, and this device to charge the Sony camera. So let's see the camera features and its characteristics. So guys, let's open it. The camera has a silver metal lining along its side and it is black in color, but there are two color variants of this camera. You can choose any one of them. With 8x optical zoom and 20.1 megapixel, I found it is a great buy, and it is from Sony, that's why it is trustworthy. So the on process is, to start the camera you have to press the on, you can read here on and off, you have to press this button for 2 seconds. So you can see the camera lens have out, and with this package you will also get a memory card and battery which you can install here. So let's start. When you on the camera you will get a logo of Kybersuit because it is one of the Sony series from which it has arrived. See, you can see here tracking focus, and you can adjust the camera panorama and movie means recording mode. By this you have to put the panel down, so it will show you sweep panorama. Then again if you put down you will see the movie mode. Now I will show you how you can take photos using this camera. So you have to click this button, this upper one, and the photo will be clicked with autofocus technology. So it is flashed one. I will show you normal photo. Now let's see one normal photo. See the focus, and the photo is clicked in a very beautiful manner with 20.1 megapixel camera, and you can view the photo by touching this play button icon, which you will find. This also look like YouTube play button, and you can find this menu option from which you can adjust its contrast and brightness and etc. And now how to zoom this picture, you have to click on T. Now it is zoom, you can adjust. See, and this portion will show you how much it is zoomed, so it can zoom up to 8x. You can see the DSLR inside it, and to zoom you have to click on the T button. See, so let's zoom something and see. See, by using this panel you can zoom. See, by this means you can zoom it with an ultra clear way. You can also use the panorama mode. To use the 360-degree panorama mode, you have to put down the switch. You have to put down the switch, and this sweep panorama you have to do the steps as directed by the camera. And then how to use the movie mode, you have to put the switch again down and then press the same button which you have pressed for the photo capturing. See, the recording is having done. Then in the same process you have to stop the video. And how to delete something, you have to click on the play button, and then you will find one delete option here. You will click this and select this image, and the image or the video will deleted from your camera. So let's talk about the review. I am having a great experience with this camera because it fulfill all my wishes and my family wishes. So according to me, it is a very great buy and best camera under the 5000 rupees. So if you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe our channel to get the latest notifications and videos. And don't forget to write a review or a suggestion or any question related to this camera or any other devices which you find difficulties in the comment box, and you can join us in our next video.